Hi guys, this is Bill, and today I want to talk about something I am also learning. Don't wait for people to support you before you try, before you start. Sometimes we want to begin doing something, a YouTube channel, a dream, a small goal, but we wait for other people to believe in us first. We wait for encouragement, we wait for approval, we wait for someone to say we can do it. But honestly, nobody will say it in the beginning. But that doesn't mean your dream is not worth starting. It just means you may have to be your first supporter. Right now, I'm still a small creator. If I can I call myself that? I don't have many views yet. I don't have many active subscribers, but I'm learning to show up anyway because maybe support will come after people see you trying. So start even when it's quiet, start even when no one is clapping yet. Still believing, still becoming. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.